What's the meaning of close set? Close set. Close set.
Close set. Close set. Close set refers to teeth that are positioned close together with minimal gaps between them. This dental condition can make it difficult to floss and may increase the risk of developing cavities or gum disease. Close-set teeth can also affect the appearance of a person's smile, making it look crowded or uneven. Treatment options for close-set teeth include orthodontic treatment with braces or clear aligners to gradually shift the teeth into proper alignment. Regular dental checkups and proper oral hygiene can also help maintain healthy teeth and gums.